So YouTube, we have officially gotten a new build and a new car for the channel. Um, for those suspecting if the Mustang is gone, if this car replaced it, nope, we have that. And we got that build for the channel too, which we are starting and it's coming out beautiful. Got custom headlights for it. But without further ado, here is the new build. It is a built 2018 Q50 that I bought from the auction that I'm bringing back to life. The car had not much of these mods when I bought it. It's got a new bumper, new lip, custom headlights. It's also got that I added a new spoiler. We got a new diffuser in the back over there. It's gonna go on probably today, we'll see. And it's got some AMS mods in it. Pretty much a good overview of what the car has. It's got AEM intakes, a AMS Alpha Stage 3 high pressure fuel pump, ported manifolds, 3-inch down pipes, which are, can't really see them, but I'll try the best I can. They're right there. Custom exhaust, and it dumps right at the rear axle, right back there. And it's on full E85. It's got some Koenig wheels, which I kind of like. These are pretty cool. I added these because it rains a lot out here. It's got tints, Tesla screen. It's got the red sport interior, suede Alcantara cover for the dash. And those are all mods that I've done since I bought the car besides the engine stuff. The back's still gonna have more stuff done to it as we go. But the next video will be putting the new pump in, because the fuel pump it has, the low pressure pump, is the wrong one. This car was tuned when I first bought it, and basically, you can't really see it right now, but it's under this seat. It has the AMS low pressure fuel pump, which I thought is what the car was tuned for, but the last owner told me it needs a Hellcat Warrowboro 520. So I got that coming in. I'm gonna swap it in there. And this thing should run great, because it runs like crap right now because it has the wrong pump that it's not tuned for. But the last owner didn't really tell me too much, because when I first bought the car from the auction, they said the low pressure fuel pump and high were by AMS, so I bought it. The car still didn't work and had problems, and I reached out to the last owner and he told me it's got a Hellcat Warrowboro, not an AMS one. So we're gonna swap that out when it's here in like a few days, probably Monday or Tuesday. And this thing should be running great. Get some data logs. A race box is the tuner, and get the chip to data log with, because since I got it from auction, it didn't come with that. Long story short, I got the last owner from Instagram, found him and got to talking to him. Also, the car does have a catch can, and it has a AMS heat exchanger up here, which I don't know if you could even see it, to be honest, but it's right there. My finger's pointing, and it's got Mishimoto. I'm not sure if these are stock or aftermarket, but this is all done by the last owner, so I'm still learning this car. It's got a flex fuel kit too, right here. So it's pretty much already set up for me to start having fun with. Just got to get the pressure or low pressure pump fixed, and that will be for sale because it's brand new. And that's about it. Also got the headlights custom. I like those. Carbon front lip. But yeah, it's pretty much just showing you guys what's done to the car. It's a beautiful new engine, 35,000 miles. It still looks brand new under here. So, and these intakes work real good too. And this car's loud. You can hear the turbos, which is nice. Give you guys one good walk around. Of course, the Mustang, we are going to be going full drag mode, gutting it, going boost, getting the drag pack back on, which is in the garage, and getting her cleaned up for the meet tonight. And then the Honda's getting built at the same time. It's a slow process, but she's looking beautiful, as you can see. and now we got this thing. So have some fun with it. It's also got some radials on the back. It's all-wheel drive. So I know some will ask. Although it doesn't run great right now, it's still quick, but not quick enough. Also, when that Hellcat wall pump comes in, I also got a hydromat, which is still pretty much in good condition coming. It's gonna go right on it, so we don't have those fuel cut problems. So that's what these are used for. So the car's also got a relay kit that's gonna go in too. So yep, this thing is gonna be a really bad car, if you know what I mean. So, and also got a new fuel pump module down here too. So yeah, we're gonna be having some fun with that car. Also, it has aerospace components, drag brakes on the front, and stock brakes on the rear. Yeah, this thing is no joke fast. So yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in the next video when we put the Hellcat oil bore pump in and kind of how to do it, how that goes, get you guys some starts of the car and some driving content and, you know, some track passes on the drag strip. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys the new build for the channel. If you have any questions, hit me up about it. Yeah, other than that, see you guys in the next one. Peace.